In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the My Work page in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, mastering your workspace is essential for staying organized and productive. So let's dive right in and explore how to effectively utilize the My Work page. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access the My Work page. This page serves as a centralized hub specifically designed to help you manage the tasks assigned to you from various boards. Think of it as your personal command center, where you can see everything that needs your attention in one convenient location. It offers a streamlined way to handle your workload by consolidating all your tasks so you can focus on what's important. Finding it is easy. Look to the upper left of your screen and click on the My Work tab. As soon as you do, you'll be greeted with an overview of your tasks. The My Work page is impressively versatile, allowing you to switch between different views depending on your preference. For those who are visually inclined or work best when seeing deadlines laid out over time, the calendar view is a must-see. Simply click on the corresponding tab to reveal this view. You can choose to view your tasks by month, week, or even by day, giving you a visual representation that best suits your working style. Customization is one of the standout features of the My Work page. By clicking the Customize button, you unlock the ability to filter and sort your tasks according to various criteria, whether it's by people involved, the boards they belong to, their status, date due, or priority level. This can be particularly useful when you need to zoom in on specific projects or approaching deadlines, ensuring that you are always on top of your tasks. Adding new tasks is equally straightforward. If you're working within the calendar view and need to schedule something new, you can click directly on any date to insert a task. This seamless integration means you can effortlessly fit new responsibilities into your existing plan, ensuring your schedule is as flexible and robust as you need it to be. If you prefer the table view, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This tool is invaluable when you're managing a long list of tasks. By typing a task's name into the search bar, you can quickly find what you're looking for without having to scroll through an extensive list. This functionality saves you time and makes task management a lot more efficient. And there you have it. By fully utilizing the My Work page in Monday.com, you can keep your tasks organized and your priorities in check, making your workday more productive and manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to watch for more videos on how to maximize your use of Monday.com and other productivity tools.